a new generation of superior clarity MaxiVideo. Autel high-resolution digital inspection video scopes exceed expectation at an affordable price. The dual front and side camera heads capture every detail within the wider 70-degree field of view in greater 2-megapixel detail. Save and replay in high definition within the brilliant clarity full-color HD screen. Capture video or photo with a single trigger button and instantly save to gallery. Add and listen to audio commentary with the built-in mic and speaker for further analysis. Every detail counts when using the 7x zoom with the large 4.1-inch display. On-screen horizontal and vertical reverse, the 10-level adjustable 10,000 lux LED ensures you quickly and easily find your target issues. It's the new generation MaxiVideo MV480. MV460 single camera, 3.5-inch screen also available. Higher resolution video, smarter inspection value.